Baka 67 ka para talo, ha? Okay, ayan, 67 lang siya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, nakailan siya? Nakailan? 60.
68?
60 lang? Ayan. Sino yung isa?
Papasyal ka na.
Okay, yan. Dahil sa ayaw niyang kumanta, ang gagawin mo ate, kakaway ka lang din kay Kembot. Kaya mo ba yun? Okay, yan, okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Walang handa.
Happy birthday to you.
Walang handa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Walang handa.
Okay, ayan, palakpakan naman. Ayan, mamaya na yung prize, kukunin pa ni Kuya. Okay, ayan, sino gusto pa ng prize? Sino nakakaalam?
Ako po.
Ayan, ayan, alam nila. Then ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo yung mechanics. Oh, bitla siya, bibigay mo, uy. Okay, dito mo lagay yan. Okay, ayan, syempre kailangan may partner. Pwedeng babae sa babae, pwedeng lalaki. Okay, ayan, kailangan, pag kumount ako ng 5, kailangan walang gagalaw. Pag sinabi kong pagdikit ang noo, kailangan walang gagalaw, ha? Oh. Ayan. Oh, sismisan dito, sismisan doon. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, Kuya, play the music, go!
You know what's so funny, baby?
Kahit kembot, pwede na yan.
And you'll never change.
Okay, syempre, pag-stop ng music, pag sinabi kong pagdikitin ng noo, pagdikitin, go! 1, 2, kailangan walang gagalaw, ha? 3, kaninong 5 peso to? Aba, ayan, hindi gumalaw. Okay, play the music, Kuya. Ayan, ang hindi sumaya, kaya ito, ha? Ang hindi sumaya, kaya ito, ha? Okay, syempre, pag-stop ng music, kailangan... Oh, wala pa. Excited. Okay, pag-stop ng music, 5! Okay, pag-stop ng music, pag sinabi ko yung pagdikitin ng baba, pagdikitin! Go!
Baba. Labas dila.
1!
Two.
Teka muna, para mas maganda.
Labas dila.
Labas ang dila. Go! Pasok mo konti. Ayan. Ang tulis eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Music. Ama, maganda yan. Anak mo? Ha? Laki, ha? 3! Oh, parang manika lang, ha? Ganyan ka lang, ha? Parang kang puppet, ha? 4! 5! Music!
Ito ba laki?
Masyado ako.
Pag sinabi kong yung kung sino yung bumuhat sa inyo kanina, siya naman yung bubuhatin nyo. Go! Ayan, pasensya na sa mga pumili ng partner. Ayan, para kang bumuhat ng aparador. Ayan, okay. Ayan, oh. Hindi mo kaya? Ayan, para kang pag bumuhat mo yan, para kang ano ba? Para kang bumuhat ng refrigerator na walang laman. Okay, ayan, yung mga hindi kaya, huwag nang pilitin. Ayan, sorry. Ayan, bye-bye. Okay, mamaya next game na lang. Okay, play the music! Okay, pag-stop ng music, pag sinabi ko yung pagdikitin ng tuhod, siko. Okay, pag-stop ng music, pag sinabi ko yung pagdikitin ng noo, ilong, baba. Noo, ilong, baba. Noo, ilong, baba. Kaya kung sino makakagawa na, winner na. Noo, ilong, baba. Ayan. Noo, ilong, baba. Noo, ilong, baba. Ayan. Noo, ilong, baba. Noo, ilong. Noo, ilong, baba. Ayan, noo, ilong, baba, ah. Ayan. Noo, ilong, baba. Sige, 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 try nyo. 1, 2, 3. Yung tipiin. O, itong gagalaw. 4. Sino makakagawa niya? Winner na. 5. O, ayan. Ayun na, ito. Nakita ko ito. Ayan, o. O, dito. Ayan. O, galaw na kayo. May winner na. Ito na, o. Ayan. Kuya, sample nga nung noo, ilong, baba. Siyempre, para makita nila. O, bilis. 1, 2, 3, go! Bilis! Kaya niyo yan! Sige! Para makita nila! Para makita nila! O, punas muna laway. O, ayan. Okay. Go! Para makita nila, o. Sige! Kaya niyo yan!
Kaya namin.
O, ayan. Pag hindi nyo kaya, sila na lang.
Kaya rin namin.
O, ayan. Ayan. Wala na. Sila nakita ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, in your neighborhood. Say, who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day. Oh, who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, in your neighborhood. Say, who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day. Oh, the postman always brings the mail through rain or snow or sleet or hail. He works and works the whole day through to get your letter safe to you. 'Cause a postman is a person in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood, he's in your neighborhood. And a postman is a person in your neighborhood, a person that you meet each day. Oh, who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, in your neighborhood. Say, who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day. Oh, a fireman is brave, it said. His engine is a shiny red. If there's a fire anywhere about, well, he'll be sure to put it out. 'Cause a fireman is a person in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood, he's in your neighborhood. And a postman is a person in your neighborhood. Well, they're the people that you meet when you're walking down the street.